In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Glide to ChatGPT and use it to save AI-generated text into your app's data. We'll go through the full setup inside Glide so you can take information entered by a user, send it to ChatGPT, and store the response in a Glide data table column for later use. This is a very practical workflow if you want to generate summaries, descriptions, replies, or any other kind of text automatically inside your app. To begin, open your project dashboard in Glide. This is your main workspace, where you manage the structure, data, layout, and logic of your app. Once you're inside the correct project, take a moment to make sure you're working in the app where you want this AI feature to live, especially if you manage multiple Glide projects. Next, go to the Integrations or Actions area in the left side menu. Depending on the version of Glide you're using, the wording may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the section where external services and automated workflows can be connected to your app. This is where Glide lets you extend what your app can do beyond basic data handling. From there, select OpenAI or ChatGPT from the Integrations catalog. This tells Glide that you want to connect your app to OpenAI's text generation service. When you choose it, Glide will open the connection setup so the two platforms can communicate securely. Now add your OpenAI API key to authorize the connection. This key allows Glide to send requests to OpenAI on your behalf. As you do this, make sure you paste the key carefully and keep it private. API keys are sensitive credentials, so they should never be shared publicly or exposed in tutorials, screenshots, or app interfaces. Once the key is accepted, the integration is authorized and ready to use. After that, create an action in Glide that sends user form inputs to ChatGPT and saves the generated text into a Glide data table column. In practice, this means your action should take the values submitted through a form, pass that content to ChatGPT as the prompt or input, and then write the AI-generated result back into the specific column you choose in your Glide table. Before finishing, double-check that the input field is mapped correctly and that the destination column is the right one, so the generated text is saved exactly where you expect it. Once that's done, your Glide app is ready to use ChatGPT as part of a live workflow, turning user input into stored AI-generated content automatically.